Do you know what the most complex and difficult type of residential real estate sale is for the average person? I'm a realtor and have helped hundreds of clients buy and sell over the years in my career, but the most difficult type of transaction is the move-up home purchase. That's why I wrote a quick 7-page ebook detailing everything you need to know about this process. If you're outgrowing your old home or just want to move to a new neighborhood, click the link down below and download the ebook. It's free. This is especially important to know right now because there are going to be a ton of move-up home purchases happening this year, especially if interest rates come down. There are lots of people who have outgrown their current home and need to make a move-up home purchase, but they've been on the sidelines because interest rates have been too high and they're ready to jump in as soon as rates drop. So what exactly is a move-up home purchase? It's when someone who already owns a home is upgrading to buy a different home. It's usually their first time selling a home and they're selling their starter home to upgrade into something larger, nicer, or newer. Click down below now to get a free copy of my ebook. It answers questions like, how does a home sale contingency work? How to know whether you should list your old home first or offer on a new home first. And you'll also learn the biggest downside of buying a home with a home sale contingency. We also show you how you can list and sell your home but not need to move out and close until you close on your new home. The market also plays a big factor when deciding whether to shop for your new home first or list your current home first. Click down below to download the ebook and you'll learn the best approach in a buyer's market and the best approach in a seller's market.